What is my point of view regarding about the political situations on the Philippine economy, and or I would say the country as a whole, about what's going on in the politics, right? The corruption, the misuse of funds. If I would use my belief, actually I don't have to participate in any of those movement, or I would say my opinion doesn't even matter, because this is called energy harvesting. So it's about attention. They are getting your attention to harvest your energy. And it's up to you if you want to believe it or not, but that's how I see it. Everything except for calamity, that's Mother Nature. So let me get you both scenarios. Calamities, it's because of the density, how dense the energy field of Earth. And so there's no way out of it but to release that through um, calamity, eruption, floods, weather. The weather patterns will change from time to time, because that's how it is to replenish the the dirt. So if this will keep on going, there's gonna be a big bang. So if I were you, stop watching, stop giving your attention to it, stop participating. But well, you're gonna use your will anyway, so that's your thing. And my thing, chill. That's how why we are here, because we need to chill and stabilize what you all been suffering.